guys, bear with me. Today we've got the 89 F-250 7.3 IDI, and it has got a bad glow plug relay. You can see down in there, hopefully you can see, where the resistor or ground, I don't know how the hell that's happened, but it's completely snapped out. So I've got the part ordered on the way, but this happened last night at my buddy's house, so I had to get home. So I'm going to show you guys how to completely bypass this unit altogether and manually or hardwire your glow plugs so that you can basically connect your glow plugs to your battery and get them warmed up so that you can get it started and at least get home or get to the hardware store, whatever you got to do. I didn't really find any videos on it whenever I ran into this issue, so hopefully this helps. Let me get a second to get set up and I'll be with you. Alright, so this here basically is the setup I got. Basic 12 gauge wire. You're going to want either one wire for each glow plug, and you can twist them all together at the end. This is a little fancy for a quick setup, but all it is basically is a thicker gauge wire run into a distributor with a connect for each glow plug. And it just so happens that 10 to 12 gauge connects work perfect, fit right on there tight. So I'm going to show you guys how to put this on, get it running. Alright guys, so now we've got it all put back together and all my shit out the way. This is basically it. You can hopefully see the wire setup. I've got this wrapped around my oil fill just so that it prevents it from touching metal, grounding out, or getting any positive sparks so my glow plugs don't fire while I'm driving. But like I said, once again, this is not a permanent solution. This is just in a bind, in a pinch, stuck out in the field, stuck somewhere where you've got to get somewhere, or got to get to the hardware store, last minute, fix all. All it is, hardwire, straight to the glow plugs. Take this, and you want to hold it there for about 7-8 seconds, no more. I'm going to go ahead and get my car turned to the on position and the key, that way I can show you real quick and jump the solenoid, that way I don't have to hop in, hop out. Alright, I've got my vehicle in the on position, so it's ready to fire up. I'm going to go ahead and do it. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all. No more. Take this here, go ahead and start it. And that's all. I hope that helped. If not, sorry. But I've got my part on the way, and have a good one.